Hey everybody, today I'm back with another video. In continuation to the previous videos that I made on basic Linux commands, I will show you today, which I thought is one of the powerful things of Linux commands, where it will interact with the user while it's doing its execution, its process. That one is called the read command. What it does is, while it's running, while the script is running, when it hit that command, it will expect the user to interact. It stops, wait for the user to interact, and then after that, it uses what the user gives it, and then it will continue its process with the given information the user give at that moment. And so what this kind of task gives you, helps you, is when the input is not known all the time. So you just run the script, and then it will stop. It will ask you, hey, what do you want? For example, what is the name? Or for example, what is the number? It will ask you, and then you will give it, and then it will use whether the name or the number, and then to do the next process. So that's what I'm going to show you. I believe it's very important and it's very powerful thing of command of the Linux commands. Like as I mentioned, I will come with a lot of other videos of the features of Linux, but for today I'll stick with this simple and powerful command. So for that, what I have to do is I'll have to create a file, and then I'll have to write that powerful commands in it, and then I will execute the file, and then we'll see what the command will do to interact with the user. Okay, so let's see, where am I? I'm here in my terminal, and then let's see, where am I? What is my present working directory? I'm in the user directory. I would like to go to download, for example. So this is where I am now, in the download folder. And here I can do anything. I mean, let me create a script. To create a script, from what we've learned in our previous one, I can create using touch test.sh. When I say, when we're talking about shell script, the file has to have extension of sh. So that's why I'm doing touch test.sh. This is creating a dummy file, just empty file. So I have a file that is called test.sh. So for that test.sh, I have to put all the informations that I'm planning my shell script to do. To update it, I have to use the vi command. So kind of view, but also edit. Okay, vi test.sh. As I mentioned, this is empty and nothing is in the inside, so that's why it says it's empty file. To update it, I have to insert always a shell script starts with this pound exclamation / bin bash. So it's the runner that the script is in a bash, so it's gonna use all the bash informations. That's where now I'm gonna start to give my information. Let's say, hey, give me your name. Okay, read -p, and I'm gonna give what is your name. Okay, I'm gonna ask it. So this is the command, and then this is what is going to be facing to me when the script is executed, and then the information that I give will be stored as name. Let's say his name, for example. Okay, so I will use that name, the information whatever the user is going to give, to output or to add something. Let's say if this is the name, I know my last name, for example. Okay, so echo welcome. Okay, this is the name, his name, that is the name that will be given. What is my last name? Say we know the last name, Angelo. Okay, Angelo. So what it's gonna say is, it's once when I execute the script, it will say, hey, what's your name? And then I will give the name. The name will be stored under this variable, and then this next line will use that variable here. Will invoke it by using the variable formula, and then you will add, this is dummy name, just a strings. This is also a string, constants. They will call it constants. And now I will get out and just save, write and quit, and we're done. So let me clear this page. I can see my test.sh. My test.sh is first line, indication of a bash, and then this is the read, and then this is the output that's going to use whatever the user is going to give. What it means is, I just have to run the script. How do I run a shell script? Either using test.sh, or I can use test.sh. Okay, so this won't run because it doesn't have the execution. Like I can do chmod all, give them execution test. Okay, so now this file is executable. As you see here, it's executable. But anyway, this is, I think, out of topic. But I'm gonna execute the script. Okay, I'm gonna execute. Here you go. What is your name? I'm gonna give my name as Kidane. Okay, so once I hit enter, the next command that we saw will be displayed. So welcome Kidane Angelo. Now that's not my name. That's if somebody says no, that's not my name. Okay, this is Abraham. Okay, welcome Abraham Angelo. Say maybe another one, John. Hey, welcome John Angelo. So what it is this is showing us how powerful is shell script. You don't have to write in all the GUI, all other text files or something. Shell script, Linux commands can be very powerful. That will help you to interact users while the script is running, using the read -p. Read -p will let the shell script interact with the user to give any information on the fly, and then use it in the next commands that will be executed in that shell script. Hope this is helpful, and I'll see you in the next video with more videos, especially about VI. How VI is very, very helpful in when you are editing your files. If you have 100 lines of file, if you have 100, if you have more lines, if you want to delete the whole line, if you want a lot of stuff. So I'll show you all this stuff, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks so much.